With the CSV from Propte.com, you can create a PnL report in Google Sheets. Start by uploading the CSV file to Google Drive and accepting the default import settings. Take a look at the column headings in the imported table. To build the PnL, we need the account type so that we can filter the income and expense accounts. Other account types such as asset and liability accounts are useful for other reports such as the balance sheet. Keep scrolling to the right of the imported table to see that there are more available columns, including the net amount column that we'll use as the values for our PnL. This workbook currently has only one worksheet containing the imported table. Add a new second sheet to create a second table to look up the account type sort order. I'll put this formula in the video description. It basically just makes a new table with the unique account types from column J in the imported table. In this case, there are only 4 account types we want to include in our report, so I manually enter the numbers 1 to 4 next to the income, other income, expense, and direct cost account types, leaving the other account types blank to make them easy to filter out. Switch back to the first worksheet with the imported table and add a new column to look up the account type sort order. I'll put this formula in the video description, and finally select the whole range and create a new pivot table on a new worksheet. On the new pivot table, drop the new PnL field into the pivot table rows section and uncheck the automatic subtotal option. Include the same field, that's the new PnL field, into the filters section and filter out the blanks to only include the income and expense account types. Drop the account type field into the pivot table rows section. Include the financial year field in the pivot table columns section. Drop the net amount field into the values section and select the currency formatting for those values. This is the final report table.